Okay, so welcome to Lucerne. We're just going to be doing some day trips, walking around, just exploring the city. It is incredible. It's just breathtaking. So built in 1408, destroyed by storms, then rebuilt, then renovated. Oh my goodness, it's like a storybook. Everywhere you look, just beautiful. Okay, so this is really pretty. So we're just going to be walking around some of these bridges, and I've been told that's the tower where they lock up tourists who don't behave, so I'll be probably checking in there later. But this is an absolutely incredible, I know I keep saying that, but it's just, you don't know where to turn. Everywhere you look is just a beautiful view of a building or something. There you go. Cowbell. This place is incredible. We're going to be walking over now to the other side. There's a really cool concert hall that's just here on the lake. So, and the views of the Alps, you can kind of see them behind me. Slowly, more and more. It's just incredible. So here we go. This is the train station in Lucerne. Kind of what you'd anticipate. Alright, hold on. He's got different, look at all the pretzels here. That's cheese, butter, look at that chorizo pretzel, cheddar, and raclette. Yum. And there they are, they're baking them now. Okay, so food's really expensive. We're just at the train station, and this is we ordered the kebab, and that's the cheapest at 14.5 euros. It goes up from there. I mean, there's burgers for 16, 20 euros for a hamburger, so that doesn't include fries or a drink. So Switzerland is super expensive. So this is the kind of old city fortress wall. We're gonna try to climb up, see if we can get a view of the city from up top. Alrighty. Okay, wow. Going up. Ooh. Here's the first little. Ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna walk here to the right afterwards.
Okay. Going up. Look, original stairs. Okay. So we've made it to the top. Okay, what do we have here for views? Okay, well, maybe it was worth it. What's in this one? Is this worth it? Alright, it was worth the walk. I'll give you that. that concludes our exciting tour of Lucerne. Let's see what else is out there in Switzerland.